Hello viewers, this is Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to create and set up a complete Amazon affiliate account. So whenever you will promote an affiliate link on your website, blog, YouTube channel or social media sites, if someone clicks on the links and makes a purchase, you will get a commission. When you have a YouTube channel or a website, you will be able to earn passive income from Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to cover every steps from creating account, adding the necessary information, set up payment method, and the process to add the tax info as a non-US citizen. Without further ado, let's get started by creating the affiliate account. So here I am on Amazon.com website, and if you just go a little bit down here, then you'll find this option, make money with us. You have to select this become an affiliate option, so click on it. I'm already signed in with my normal Amazon account. As you can see, the email or mobile number you are using is not connected to an associate account, so you're actually going to create an associate account right now. So if you just notice here, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So whenever someone purchases by using our link, we are going to get up to 10% starting from 4% commission. So if you just click here, join, advertise, earn, here are the options. First of all, you have to join, then you have to advertise the links or products, and then you'll be able to earn this amount. All right, so we want to get started. Just click on this join now for free, and we'll have these options like creating your Amazon associate account, account information. Here the first page, we have to put our pay name. So let's put the name which is exactly like on your bank account details, okay, or national ID card details. So I'm going to put mine, and then put the address information, put your city, state and other information here. As I'm from Bangladesh, I have to select this part first, Bangladesh. You have to select your country, okay, and state, select 3100, and put your phone number. I'm going to put mine. Let's take +880. Then I have to select who is the main contact for this account. So as I am owning this account, or I am actually going to own this account, so this is obviously the pay listed above. So let's click on next. After coming here, you have to provide your website and mobile apps information. So as I don't have a website, it's all fine, or actually I have a website, but I'm going to show you how to put your use your YouTube channel instead. Okay, so I'm going to use my YouTube channel here. So click on YouTube, so write YouTube, and here is the channel URL. So you can do the same as well, or if you have a website, it's very simple, just put your website link here. Okay, and then click on add, and I can also add my website, which is Learner's World. So if you have multiple, that's good, and if you have only one, that's good as well. It could be either a mobile app, a YouTube channel or a website. Okay, so I'm going to add two of them, and then we have to click on next. And here is the term, are any of the website or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? No. So if you are working with children, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. Okay, and then click on confirm. So here we are on our profile setup page, and we have to put some information here like what is your preferred associate store ID. I'd love to give my name, Rafi. This would be my store ID, and then your website list that we have already entered, and what are your websites or mobile app about. So here you have to provide some information to Amazon so that they will be able to review the information, and if they find everything good and everything complying with their terms and conditions, then they are going to accept your request. Okay, so I'm going to write a little description here for my perspective. So that's a short description here. So I'll be able to edit this part after submitting the application as well. So let's just continue. Here, which of the following topics does describe your website or mobile app? Select primary topic, which is education, skill, reference, news. Okay, so this should be the best option. And select the secondary category, which is let's say I'd say computer software and technology. Okay, and then we have what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps. So I want to add books, digital downloads, and electronics, computers and office, and these are all the topics or subject based products that I want to promote from my YouTube channel or my website. Okay, so what type are your website or mobile apps? So select this one. We have to put here content or niche website, and again here you'll be able to add two types here. Just take it as a blog. Okay, and then we have how do you drive traffic to your website. I want to keep like SEO, blogs, social networks, and that's it. Okay, and we could also do the email as well, but I don't want to put them in the first try. Okay, so how do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? Here I am going to put other affiliate programs. Okay, and then here, and then how do you usually build links? It would be content management system, or you can say other. And how many total unique visitors do your website and apps get per month? I'm going to select per month, let's say 50,000 to 500k. Okay, as I'm getting these views. And then what is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Affiliate program? We have to select this option to monetize my site. Okay, we want to make money, so that's the best option. And how did you hear about us? We have to put like online search, and after that we have to fill these characters here in this field. So let's say CE4F6A. After that you have to select this one to you agree to the terms and conditions of the associate program operating agreement, and then click on finish. So here, congrats Azhar Rafi, thank you for applying to the Amazon.com associate program. Your unique associate ID, this is my Amazon associate ID, okay? And now what we have to do, we have to enter our payment and tax information. So we have to click here on this now section or now button. And then we have to sign in with our account. And two-step verification, we have to put our phone number here. So I'm going to put my Bangladesh, my number, and then I have to select voice delivery or text message. So I'd love to get a text, so send OTP, and I have received a code 233061. 233061. Click on continue. All right, so here we are on the payment method page, and as you can see, we have got three options here: pay me by direct deposit, pay me by Amazon gift card, and pay me by check. So we don't want to use this option. As I already have a Payoneer account, I'm going to attach the link of the Payoneer account creation link in the video description as well, so you'll be able to create your Payoneer account. All right, so here I'm going to add my Payoneer account bank account details. So let's click on this pay me by direct deposit, and then your bank location, I'm going to put like United States, as Bangladesh is not listed here. So I have gotten bank account from my Payoneer, which is based on United States. So let's add this information here. So go to Payoneer and sign in with your account. So here sign in with your Payoneer account and then click on this global payment service. And you will find like here GDP, Euro receiving account, and USD receiving account with this Payoneer account for free. So I'm going to click on this USB receiving account to copy paste all the information. So I'm going to copy the bank account name from here. So bank currency US dollars, account holder name. So first thing is account holder name. Here is my account holder name, and put it here. Then we have account type. We have got here checking account type, checking. and then account number, confirm account number. So where is account number? Here it is. Copy this account number, paste it here, and paste it again here. After that, we have to put our bank name. So the bank name is First Century Bank, and we have routing number, which is this one, and here. Okay, so I have just entered all the banking information here from my Payoneer account, and then we have to click on this submit and continue with tax information. All right, so here we are on the tax information interview page, and you have to put your tax information here. So what is your tax clarification? Obviously I'm an individual, so select this one. And then for US tax purpose, are you a US person? No, I'm not an US person, so click on no. And then are you acting as an intermediary agent? No, I'm not an intermediary agent, so click on no. Then we have got here tax identity information. Put your full name here. So MD Rafi, and then country of citizenship, I am going to select my country here, Bangladesh. And then permanent address that I have just already entered. Okay, so I have to put my street address and number. All right, so I have just entered my permanent address here, street address here, and then click on done. And if you have a non-US TIN number, then you can put it here. So as I don't have a TIN number, I just have to deselect this one. Okay, so here are the options. I am going to select this one. I have applied for TIN but haven't received it yet. All right, so then click on continue. And related to income, location of service performed, all service will be performed outside the USA. Okay, so as I am operating my YouTube channel and my blog sites from outside of the USA, so this would be the best option to select. Okay, and if you're from United States, then just select this one. And then we have got sign and submit. I consent to provide electronic signature for the information provided as per IRS from W8BEN. So you have to do the electronic signature here. So put your name here. And date, the today's date. Then click on save and preview. And all looks good. Just read this information for your better understanding. Okay, so I'm going to click on submit the form. So here we go, validated. Your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Okay, applicable withholding rate is 0.0%, so we don't have to pay them the tax anymore. And let's see if anything here else. No. Okay, so all looks good. We have to click on this exit interview. And here we are on our Amazon associate account dashboard. All right, so if you want to get product links and other information, here are the options. Select the product links, banners, native shopping ads, mobile pop-up bar, link to any page, promotion, featured promotion, etc. Just take a look on these things, and I'm going to upload more videos regarding Amazon affiliate product promotions in future. Alright, so here's the additional video part where I'm going to show you how to get your Amazon affiliate link to share on social media profiles, blogs, website, or YouTube channel. So here I'm on Amazon Associates homepage, and you'll find this option. You'll be able to make a search by using any keyword or ASIN or ISBN numbers. Okay, so I'm actually going to use a keyword. For example, if I want to promote a baby product, I'm going to use baby clothing as an example, then hit on go, and you'll find the options to get the link. So if you want to get the link for your website, then you have to click on this get link, and if you want the short link which is more convenient, then you have to click here on this icon, and you'll find like this one, shorten URL with Amazon.to. So just click on this and you'll get this link. Okay, short link, and now you'll be able to share this link to any social media profile or your website or YouTube channel. So I hope it was helpful to you. So that was the process. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video to help others, And let me know if you have any question by commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.